Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a listing video with Matterport. Quick tutorial step by step. To create a listing video with Matterport, begin by opening your Matterport 3D showcase. Log into your account and select the space you want to create a video for. Once the space loads, look for the Media tab on the left side of the screen. Click on the Media tab to see available options. Next, choose Video from the drop-down menu. You will now see options to customize your video settings. Select your desired video length. Choose a soundtrack that fits the aesthetic of the listing. You can preview the soundtrack by clicking the play button next to it. Adjust the video speed settings to match the pacing you prefer. Once your settings are configured, click on the Create Video button. Matterport will process your video, which may take a few moments. You will receive a notification once the video is ready. After processing, navigate back to the Media tab. Locate your newly created video in the list. Click on the video to preview it. If satisfied, you can download it or share it directly. Now, you have a professional listing video ready for your property. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.